Good morning, student. Today's article is fine structure of X-ray spectrum. We have to see in last lecture Moseley's law. Then next article is fine structure of X-ray spectra. Moseley's observation about characteristics X-ray spectra were made in 1913. We have already seen in last lecture. He observed that most of the lines in the X-ray spectrum were found to consist of two or more lines. For example, K alpha line was found to be a doublet, that is two very close lines for all more lines, okay, all elements beyond sodium. We have already seen in sodium doublet, that is the atomic number is 11. Similarly, K beta line also showed a complex structure. There are two doublets, K alpha and K beta. Thus, each X-ray line is found to consist of two or more lines very close together. Best example is sodium doublet. Okay, this is known as fine structure of X-ray lines. To explain emission of characteristics X-ray spectra, we consider the total energy difference only due to change of principal quantum number. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the principal quantum number. But to have a complete picture, the effect of changes in other quantum numbers have also to be taken into account. To a first approximation, the energy of an electron is determined by its configuration, which depends upon the principal as well as orbital quantum number n as well as l. Okay, we take the vector sum of orbital and spin quantum number, that is the j, total angular momentum. First of all, in K shell, we have already seen in 4 shell, K, L, M and N. K is the innermost shell and N is the outermost shell. Okay. First is the in K shell. How to find out the values of K shell? In K shell, the principal quantum number is 1. Okay. This is the innermost. This is K shell, L, M and N. K is the innermost. The principal quantum number 1, L is 2, M is 3, N is 4. Okay. K shell for N is equal to 1 and therefore L is equal to 0. This is the value of K shell. The orbital is spherically symmetrical and only one value of J is possible. How to calculate the value of J? Using this formula. J is equal to L plus S. Okay. We know since S is equal to half, only 1 by 2. Put this value in this equation. What is the value of L? 0 plus half. How much? Only half value will be taken in this K shell. The number of K shell 2L plus 1, this is the multiplicity factor. How much? L means 0. This is the, put this value 2 into 0 plus 1. What is the value of 1? Okay. That is, there is only one level. This only one level in spectroscopic notation. It is denoted as 1s half. 1 means this only one level, one level. S is value of 0 is S. This is the 0 is equal to S P D F 1 2 and 3 and so on. This is the value of notation. S is equal to 0. Similarly for second, for L cell, this cell. Okay, we have calculated this cell L. What is the value of N? N is equal to 2. This is the value of 2. And what is the value of L? 1, 0. There are two value 1 and 0. Two values of j are possible. Which one? 1 and 2. How to calculate? Using this formula. J is equal to L plus S. First of all, write the 1. Okay, 1 plus half 3 by 2. This is first value. Then second one is 0 plus half. What is mean by value? Or what is value? 1 half. 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Corresponding to L is equal to 1. Put L is equal to 1. Value is 3 by 2. Put L is equal to 0. Value is 1 by 2. Okay. J is equal to, there are two values of J, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. There are three subcells, these two values. First one is L first is equal to N is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, J is equal to half, this value. Okay. Then L second line is equal to N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1 and J is equal to half, 0, 1. Okay. And L third line is equal to N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1 and J is equal to 3 by 2. This is SP. Okay. 0 for S, 1 for P. Okay. These are the values. In spectroscopic notations, these are denoted as L1 is equal to 2S1 half, L2 is equal to 2P1 half due to this value, and L3 is equal to 2P3 by 2. This is the second for L cell. Similarly, we have to calculate M cell. Okay, this is the M cell. For third for M cell, what is the value of N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2, 1, 0. There are three values, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. There are 5 subcells. 5 subcell. Okay. Which one? M first. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 0 and J is equal to half. And spectral notation is 3S 1 by 2. We have to calculate this 3S 1 by 2. This is M second. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 1, J is equal to half. The spectral notation 3P1 by 2. Then M third, N is equal to 3, L is equal to 1, and J is equal to 3 by 2. The spectral notation 3P3 by 2. Then M4, N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2, J is equal to 3 by 2. This is 3D 3 by 2. Okay. And last MV, N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2 and J is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. The spectral notation 3D 5 by 2. There are 5 possible or 5 subcells, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Similarly for N cell, this is last cell for N cell. What is the value of N is equal to 4 and L value L is equal to 3, comma 2, comma 1, comma 0. How much value? 1, 2, 3 and 4 values. Write down the levels. First one, n first. There are 7 subcells. Write down these subcells. n1 is equal to, I have written in directly in this notation. Okay, this is 4s 1 by 2, n second 4p 1 by 2, then third 4p 3 by 2, n fourth is equal to 4d 3 by 2, n5 is equal to 4d 5 by 2, n6 is equal to 4f 5 by 2, and this is n7 4f 7 by 2. How to calculate this value? I have to give example. Formula J is equal to L plus S. Okay, first value, put this value 0. 0 plus half. What is the value of half? Okay, this is the value. In last, suppose J is equal to L plus S. What is the value of L? 3 plus 1 by 2. 6 plus 1 by 2. This is 7 by 2. Okay, this type you have to calculate these values. Okay, it should be noted that each subcell can have maximum of 2j plus 1 electrons. Okay, this is known as multiplicity of cell and arises from the fact that the total angular momentum vector can be oriented 2j plus 1 directions. According to the rule of spatial quantization, the multiplicity of k cell is j is equal to 1 by 2. This is the k cell. Okay, for L first, L1 j is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, then L second j is equal to 1 by 2, the value is 2. Then L third j is equal to 3 by 2, value is 4. M first j is equal to 1 by 2, the value is 2. Then M second j is equal to 1 by 2, the value is 2. Then M third j is equal to 3 by 2, the value is 4. And M 4 j is equal to 3 by 2, the value is 4. And last M5 is equal to j is equal to 5 by 2, the value is 6. This is the subcells. Okay, an energy level diagram based on the above data, this data as shown in figure. This is the figure. We have to calculate these data. This is the level K cell, L cell, M cell. Okay, this is the K alpha lines, L1, L2, L3. This is M1, M2, M3, and M4. We have to calculate these optical notation. What is the value of n is equal to NLJ, principal quantum number, orbital quantum number, and total angular quantum number. We have to finding this data to draw the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. If an electron is removed from subshell, the atom gets ionized. The vacancy thus created may be filled by electron from an outer shell according to selection rule. This is the selection rule. Delta L is equal to plus minus L, and delta J is equal to 0 comma plus minus 1, or delta N is equal to any value 1 2 3 4 5 any value. Okay, this is the fine structure of X-ray spectrum.